What's up, my wonderful audience? How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a wonderful time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary along with Rose Helen. So in today's video, we are going to be doing product review. And we are reviewing this product called is beard and hair strengthener. But I actually bought this to straighten my baby girl hair. We don't have beard hair, so we're going to be using it for our hair, okay? So I'm going to tell you guys a little story about this girl. This hair strengthener. So my baby girl got a rough hair and her hair is like quick to tangle. So whenever I comb it, she be crying and it's really painful. So because of this, it make things really hard for us. Whenever I want to plait this hair, it takes around 4 to 5 hours just to braid one hair. So it takes a lot of time. So this day I just asked one of her friends to come over. And a friend came over door. The friend did her hair for her in less than an hour. And that was braid though. They braid her hair in less than an hour. So I asked her friend like, what's going on? What is the secret? How did he braid his hair in less time? And I didn't see my baby girl shaking. What's going on? She like, oh yeah, I comb her hair with this product. I'm like, what's the name? She's like, this is electric comb. She called it electric comb. And the electric comb? She like, yeah. I'm like, okay, that was nice. So lucky for me, I stayed home today. I had a little time, so I went to the store. I took her to the store, and I don't just wanted to just be going all around the store. So I just asked one of the workers in the store. I'm like, hey, I'm looking for electric comb, and then they showed me the aisle. I went to the aisle. I was actually, because this is my first time, I don't want to put a lot of money behind something that I'm not able to, I'm not going to waste my money. So I was actually looking for something cheaper to use. So I saw some for $69.99, $45.99. But I was looking for something around $15 because when I Google online, I saw online like $10. So I was like, if I can find something store for $15, I don't mind buying it. But unfortunately, the cheapest one I saw in the store was $29.99. Let's say $30, almost, yeah, $30. So I'm like, okay, I don't want to go back again. Let me just get this and try. And then I got this. We came on here. We make a video about unboxing and how to use it. Yeah, we make a video about unboxing it, and this is the second video about how to use it. So, yeah, guys, I really pray this work for me because my baby girl, she really admire her friends with long hair. She want to get better hair, but I'm not a person like I'm not good at braiding hair. So, and she loves this stuff. So I just gonna try my best. Even if I cannot try because I know she believes in me. Yep. So if you're new on my channel, my name is Rosemary. On this platform, we do just a little bit of everything. We do cleaning up, cooking, products review. Um I do exercise over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I cook on live video. Yep. And this channel is family friendly. So you don't have to worry about who's listening to your show, who's not listening to your show. With this on my platform, you can watch a video of everybody, your siblings, your parents, auntie, uncle, grandma, grandpa, anybody can listen to my show. And trust me, guys, they're gonna like it though. So are you wondering where I'm from? I'm from West Africa, Liberia. I'm blessed and favored of 2 kids, boy and girl. Yeah, guys, my baby girl have a painful hair, so whenever I'm combing her hair, I be really gentle. Yeah, she got a painful hair. She loves to do things. She want to do her own hair, but the kind of hair she get, guys, I can't wait for this hair to grow. I'm gonna be so happy. Yeah, but I think it's coming, yeah. I think so. Yeah, guys. Yeah, we're just gonna try. There's nothing like trying. I hope you guys wish all the best. So this stuff we have this electric comb. We have the power button. We have the on and off button. Yep. So we have 310-degree Fahrenheit. We have 360-degree up to 400-degree. Because this is my first time using it, I don't know how it look like. So I put it on low, and the lowest is 310-degree. Yeah, that's why you see she's not ready something. But today is actually my first time doing this. Yeah, I hope she get what she wants. She like to do her edges. She like to do her hair. But yeah, guys, the mom she got, mom don't know how to braid hair, but we still gonna learn it though. There's nothing like trying. Yeah, guys, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, okay? So if you guys watch our long form videos, it's gonna help us a lot because that's the only way we get paid from watching the long form video. That'll be really nice of you guys, okay? Yeah, and shout out to my baby girl. She's the manager of the Rosemary TV. Not forgetting her brother. He's the producer of this Rosemary's TV. And not forgetting my self, my very self. I'm the CEO of the Rosemary TV. And our sponsors over there. Thank you all, our audience. Shout out to all of you guys. Auntie Lucy, Auntie Elena, Boss Dog, Jess, Super Rainbow Queen, all of you guys over there. Not forgetting Cooper. Cooper, thank you so much today for the gift. We really appreciate you, okay? Yeah, guys, I can't wait for my baby girl hair to grow. I'll be so happy. So yeah, guys, bye. Love you all so much.